If you're sick of the grind, being broke, or slaving away for a terrible boss, stop settling for garbage 9-to-5 jobs you hate. Make more in 30 days than you did in the last 90 and finally start living life on your terms. Turn your side hustle into your full-time income. Just by making smart, informed bets. Bets that position you for huge returns, which will set you free. Free from having to work a job you hate. Making a paycheck that makes you feel like a chump. And instead, give you a life where you work when you want, for as long or as little as you want. The sports betting pros don't take orders from people. We follow our instincts and hone our skills to minimize our risk. That means our losses are small, but our wins are massive. Now, there's no cap on how much you can earn. Some bets have bigger payouts. Some are riskier. Some are safer. You get to choose exactly how much you want to bet, how you want to bet, what you want to bet on. You get to take back control of your life. Instead of doing someone else's bidding, making the same amount day in and day out, while slowly feeling like you're wasting your life. Now, unless you absolutely love your job, paycheck, and everyone you work with, keep watching. We're about to show you what life on the other side looks like. A life where you make your own rules and set your own hours from anywhere. Tell your boss to F off by making your weekend passion into your new reality. Our students are quickly replacing their full-time income, and so I only have a couple of quick questions for you. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Are you sick of working for a boss who doesn't appreciate you? Do you want to quit the rat race and start making real money? If so, then I'm about to peel back the curtain behind the perfect opportunity for you. Sports betting can be a great way to make some extra money, or even replace your income entirely, without having to put in the long hours of 9-to-5 work. Picture this. You're stuck in a stuffy office, staring at a computer screen, slowly going stir-crazy. Your overbearing boss is breathing down your neck, and you can't help but feel like you're chained to your desk. Sound familiar? If you're sick of the 9-to-5 hustle and grinding away at a job you hate, then it's time to take matters into your own hands. Quit your job. Say goodbye to your old life for good. By setting the rules and working for yourself, you'll unlock a whole new world of freedom and opportunity. You can work when you want, tap into huge financial upsides, and finally create the life you've always wanted. But it's not always easy to know who to bet on, what to bet on, and where to bet. That's why we're here to help. We are a collective of highly experienced sports bettors who have been successful for over 23 years. We've helped thousands of people create a secondary income for themselves, without having to put in the many hours of labor, research, or development that most businesses require. In fact, we've even advised some of the biggest betting whales in Las Vegas. We know what it takes to be successful in the world of sports betting, and we're ready to share our knowledge with you. All you need to do is sit back and let us do the work. We'll tell you who to bet on, what to bet, and where to bet. If you're struggling to balance work and life, feel overworked, underpaid, overwhelmed, and generally not happy, if you can't take the time off without feeling guilty, and there's this uncertainty looming over your head, if you don't feel like you can be present when you're off work because you're thinking about work projects, deadlines, or your boss, and want to get your life back on track, then ask yourself, isn't it time for a change? Here's the reality most people never realize. You don't have to trade one terrible job for another. You can actually sit back in your underwear from the comfort of your own home and never answer to another overbearing boss again. That way, you can focus on creating the life you want by building wealth on your terms instead of working for someone else. Making money doesn't have to feel like work. When you set the rules and do it for yourself, you'll unlock your freedom. A whole new life where you are your own boss. You work when you want. A life where you can tap into huge financial upsides. Instead of slaving away making a fixed income, just collecting a check, feeling trapped, and living for the weekend. then the next few minutes are extremely crucial to your new future. The sports betting system I'm about to reveal has helped liberate thousands from the chains of a traditional 9-to-5 life, giving them power and wealth to start down a new path, one with more opportunity, more money, and far less effort. It all starts by tapping into a unique form of investing that few people even know exists. Yet it's helping average guys like us turn a small stake into thousands of dollars, often in just a few months. Not only is this system easy to use, but you can make small investments for big returns without having to put in the many hours of labor, research, or development that most businesses require. Now, the question is simple. Are you willing to take the leap and start your new life today? Here's what we bring to the table: the most elite service in the business. Our excellence boils down to 3 things. First, blazing performance for our members. Other tipsters have claimed to be the capper to the stars, but big city sources are a list of the who's who when it comes to sports information, littered with doctors, lawyers, CEOs, captains of industry, and yes, wise guys and sharp players as well. No one deals with more high-end clientele than Big City, but he does not turn away the little guy either. Big City is capable of handling clients of all shapes and sizes, making Big City one of the largest sports betting services in the country, no matter what level you're at now. Not only that, we're all about making sure we offer up expert advice, as well as premium picks that pay out big. We know there are a lot of choices on the market for betting help, so why choose Big City? Big City isn't like any other service out there. Big City offers exclusive bets from our time-tested handicappers. Big City offers flexibility and transparency. And we offer all-inclusive packages. We believe in a simple approach to securing your financial future. Bet big, win big. But you don't have to take our word for it. Here's just a few of our members' reviews.
It's so easy. Today, I get the information on the email. I get the picks on the phone. I can bet right there. They show me how to do it. I don't have to move. I can sit right here in my chair and take the picks and bet right here where I'm at.
I've used other things before in the past on my own. Nothing seemed to work. I highly recommend Big City Sports Bet.
It allowed us to have a second income, and picks is 100% on the spot.
I've seen it all. There's been, amateurs, handicappers, pro handicappers. No one does it like Big City. I've tried many, and this one's the best one.
The most important aspect of any sports betting service is the people who provide the picks, the people you trust to guide you. At Big City, we have the most experienced and well-connected handicappers in the business, so you only bet on the best bets. With access to inside information and years of experience, our handicappers are able to consistently beat the odds. So if you're looking for the best possible chance to win big, look no further than Big City Sports Betting. We're the most elite service in the business, and we're ready to help you take your betting to the next level of service. With our help, you're going to dive headfirst into an industry packed with consistent payouts so juicy you'll salivate. Breaking you free from the chains of yet another W-2 job whose measly paycheck makes you feel like you're a joke. Stop throwing away your life by trading your precious time for chump change. Kiss goodbye, slaving away during the week just waiting to live on the weekend. You don't have to settle for any more BS from your incompetent boss. Waking up every day just to barely scratch out a living. You've probably heard of people carving out inflation-proof careers, but never thought you could ever land a gig you'd actually wake up excited to do. You don't have to collect a paycheck, work long hours, be bored out of your freaking mind, just doing the same old, same old. Bills and inflation don't have to keep you up at night. There's an easy way for you to work the hours you want. You can make way more money than you thought was possible while giving your boss the finger. You won't have to worry about your finances or the pressure of out-of-control inflation. Now, the downtick in the economy and the upcoming recession can either be a breeze for you, or a never-ending nightmare of penny pinching and bank account checking that makes you miserable? The choice is yours. Keep doing what you're doing and hope things get better, or make the smart decision to take the leap and invest in yourself. You have a chance to start down a new financial and freedom path, which is crucial because you can't afford to keep doing what you're doing. Why? In the last 27 months, 80% plus of all U.S. dollars in existence were printed by the U.S. government, from $4 trillion to over $20 trillion in about 2 years. That is why you have to prioritize making as much money as you can now. Protect yourself from the economic winter that's about to hit the country. When you make the smart decision to protect your future and your finances by insulating yourself against inflation and being laid off by the economic freeze, and becoming a member of big city sports betting, so you can finally reclaim your freedom and your financial future. What will you learn by becoming a member? What teams have the best true odds at winning, and why? How to create arbitrage so that you guarantee earnings consistently. How much to bet on a single wager, bankroll management 3%, 2%, and 1%. How to in-game bet and what to bet on. And most importantly, how to earn an extra $500 to $6,500 consistently. How to place sports bets anywhere in the U.S. We will provide you the tools needed to make this happen. What comes with your new Big City Sports Betting membership? Our high-valued blue-chip picks, which are divided into 3 sets: conservative, moderate, aggressive, so you know what to bet on. In-depth matchup analysis showing the how and why the pick was selected. Overnight picks so you get the most value right out of the gate. Super parlays that create arbitrage, which is basically guaranteed money. This ensures you automatic success. Just sit back and collect your winnings. Access to private Discord groups giving in-game picks live. Bankroll Accelerator to build your bankroll by automatically becoming an authorized Big City Sport Bet affiliate and earn $100 on everyone you refer. Free ebook Believe Big and Grow Big provides the mindset shift needed and overall insight on applied strategies so you can start winning easily. Free 15-minute consultation with a Big City Sports Bet expert weekly. So what does this look like? Well, it starts with having all your information delivered to you daily. Your picks will be delivered daily via text message and email around 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, hear from your peers on exactly how this membership paid off for them.
Yep, everything through text messages. Try it.
And we're having a kid because it works.
Month to month, I've seen my gains over 25% every single time. So it's great. Want to make a side money or you want to just do it professionally? Either way, join Big City.
I've actually got a little bit of money from this, so I'm really excited. So whether it be basketball, football, baseball, whatever it may be.
So by now, you're probably wondering if this is right for you. You might wonder why you need a membership when there's so much free information out there on the internet. Well, because free isn't free. You could spend months or even years listening to rookies with no real experience, trying to figure it out for yourself through Fox Sports, ESPN, or any other news outlets, and pay the price of floundering around trying to get it right. Or you could accelerate your learning curve and make money while learning with us. We're like gas on fire. We'll help you start making winning bets from day one. Now, you might be wondering why we want to help other people make smart bets. Because the more we build up a strong network of bettors, with resources for all of us, the better our community of bettors can make informed and highly profitable bets. So what kind of returns can you expect to see? Depends on what kind of bet you make. Any other betting service who guarantees you a return are lying to you. Don't fall into their trap. You're an adult who can make an informed decision. Our job is to help you make the best bets you possibly can. So what are your options right now, today? If you just want to take us for a test drive, then I recommend taking our monthly investment option out for a spin. it's $199. Or, if you're really committed to your future success, your other option is a one-time investment, 3 months for just $399. Save 1 month when you invest in 2. Simple math. This is our most popular selection. All you need to do is sit back and let us do the work. Remember, we'll tell you who to bet on, what to bet, and where to bet. This is about changing the trajectory of your life forever. If you're struggling to balance work and life, or you feel overworked, underpaid, and overwhelmed, then sports betting is the perfect solution. You can make money while enjoying the games you love, and you don't have to feel guilty about taking some time off. So what are you waiting for? Get in on the action for yourself today. Sign up for the monthly option or save 1 month when you'll take the leap and bet on yourself with our 90-day package. See you on the inside.